How you doing? Pat here with Pat's Rides, just out making random turns on some roads today. Trying to get lost and see where we're going to end up, but at the end of the day I'm going to be in the Sugar Creek, Ohio area at a campground for the night. So stick around, stay tuned, and let's see what the next 2 days has in store for us, shall we? I knew I could find some dirt roads over in this area. Not exactly sure where I am. I know I'm not terribly far from the Sugar Creek area right now. It's about as much as I know. In the heart of Amish country around here, that's for sure. Okay, call it divine intervention or just stupid luck, stupid coincidence, but I'm going with stupid coincidence. But I have just literally been taking random turns for a couple of hours now, and here I am at the intersection of Ohio State Route 93 South and Clark Township 167. Okay, as I was saying, I had to stop right there and plug my external battery in because a GoPro battery just died and I've hardly used it. But anyway, right here's the campground basically I'm going to stay at. Well, look what I just stumbled into. Kind of being a train buff, I have heard about this place and wanted to come see it, and literally just stumbled on it. This is a rebuilt roundhouse.
I shouldn't say rebuilt because it's not rebuilt. It was purpose-built to house the man's steam engine collection for restoration and for display.
I'll be darned. The steam engine inside there. I'm gonna have to put a link in the description below with the video I found of this place on YouTube here. I don't have near the facts and knowledge and everything else that I found online. Buy war bonds. I like it. Just on the north side of Baltic, Ohio. I just stopped there to get me some ice cream. Not sure what this road is called, but I saw it as I was headed into Baltic looking for ice cream. I think this is a road. Goes the groundhog. Okay, that's pretty freaking neat. Not sure what it's supposed to be, but I love the steam engine look. Rider.
Sorry, had a bug get in my face.
Alright, here we are at the start of day 2. What time is it? 7:02 a.m. Not bad. Now on to Baltic for breakfast. I'm going to have to put a link up here in this video because I can't remember the name of this campground right now, but it's awful small. As you can see back there, I know you can't because it's GoPro, but there was me, and then 2 men, 2 women, 6 kids, 10 people, limit 6 per site. There's only 2 sites, and they're very, very close together. Unless you're going to have the place to yourself, I really wouldn't recommend it much, but it was cheap, only 20 bucks on Hip Camp. All right, let's go get some breakfast. Okay, breakfast had there at East Main Kitchen here in Baltic, Ohio. It's a good breakfast, relatively cheap. I got 2 huge pancakes that I could not finish, 3 pieces of bacon, and coffee for under $9. If you're ever in Baltic, Ohio, you got to stop in East Air. It's a nice little town, nice little place, and as you've already seen, they got ice cream, which is the most important thing ever. Speaking of ice cream, Pure Heaven, that's where I got it yesterday. And the other cool thing, if you're somewhat of a train buff like I am, you've already seen the roundhouse, and they've got some tracks here and trains, and I mean, it's usually just box cars and hopper cars, things like that sitting around, but train's a train, right? I heard 3 of them at the campground last night, but I've not seen any. Kind of bummed me out. Good morning, Mr. Sun. Township Road 212, Coshocton County, Ohio. Big pothole. I guess one of these days I need to get a RAM mount for my phone. I was just looking at gravelmaps.com when I was having breakfast, and that's how I saw this road, but I bet I passed 4 or 5 more that I don't recall seeing on gravel maps. Well, you can see Amish tracks. A little chilly back here. Got my mesh coat on, nothing on under it but my t-shirt. Oh, that's a big old rock. What is this? Oh, a little Amish store out in the middle of nowhere. Now we're on Mill Creek 209. So I guess I should say Township Road 209. Oh, you missed it back there a little bit ago, the fresh cut hay smell. Oh, there goes another red tail. Not that I'm wanting any deer in the road in front of me, but I can't believe I haven't seen any the last, well, yesterday or today. Township Road 216. I'm in Coshocton County at the intersection of County Road 405 and Township Road 47D as in Delta. Just stopped to take a thumbnail picture for the video. Alright, I think I'm going to sign off here for the day and just continue doing what I'm doing and not worry about recording anymore. So, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell for notifications. And we'll see you in the next video. Ride safe, and thanks again. Well, here's a little bonus 2-track I didn't know I was going to run into. GPS says this is a road. I hope so. Gentleman back there didn't stop me telling me I was trespassing or going onto private property or anything. Well, it appears it was a road. Wow. And there goes another red tail. What a view, huh? Alright, I think I'll leave you with that for real this time.